Hi guys, I'm Laurent from thunderlaser. Welcome back to our channel. Meet Nova Plus 80 watt RF metal tube powerhouse engineered for industrial grade speed. Razor sharp engraving and 24-hour 7-day production reliability. Coupled with the dual air system, Nova Plus turns into industrial ideas into flawless reality. If you're an industrial manufacturer or pro maker chasing throughput and perfection, the Nova Plus 80 watt is your must-have workhorse. We received a lot of questions about our dual air assist system. So let's dive into it and see the high benefit of our system. Ready for cleaner cuts and sharper engraving? Let's go!
Let's gear up our live test. 3 identical samples, cut and engrave in parallel. Sample A runs a single air channel on low pressure. Sample B pushes that same channel to high pressure. And finally, sample C unleashes the dual air auto switching between low and high for every move. Now, let's pivot to the dual air assist control panel, which allows adjustable airflow for engraving and cutting. This keeps the lens clean, ensure ultra smooth and precise engraving while having clean cut edges on the material at the same time. 2 independent channels, high pressure for cutting and no pressure for engraving. Hardware meets software. In Lightburn, simply click your engraving layer and switch higher off. Nova Plus instantly rolls to precision low pressure. Prefer shortcuts? No problem. The same toggle lives in the side panel. Then tag your cutting layer, flip higher on and full pressure is locked for every slice. From that moment, Nova Plus orchestrates the airflow automatically.
So, here is the time for the verdict. First, the single channel, low air pressure, nails micro details, but unfortunately, leaves cut edges totally untanned. Second point, the single channel with high air pressure carves like a hot knife, but yet smears engraving with smoky glosses. And finally, the dual air assist fuses both superpowers, pin-sharp engraving and crystal clear cuts in just one flawless pass. With dual air assist control, you get production grade result in a single pass. Brighter engravings, fire-free operation, and cleaner shop and no manual tweaking. Just simply set it and create, drastically improving your efficiency. Dual air catapults your production grade result in a single shot. Luminous engraving, flame-free cuts, and a spotless workspace with zero hand tuning. Just load your file, press go, and watch throughput soar. Nova Plus with dual air assist is the best choice for precision, safety, and speed. You got a question about laser or workflow? Drop it in the comment below, and we might feature it in our next Q&A video. And you know what? After Nova, Aurora and Thunderbolt, a new legend is about to awaken. Stay tuned, enjoy 1,000 makers who already level up. Just subscribe to our channel and ring the bell.